am liking this main line because there is a lot of trains running today. Hello everybody, CJ Compton here. We have a train coming, check it out. Once again, not only one train, there's actually another train mate from the looks of things. So then we all get this. Number one, this train might end up blocking this road. And for number two, the other one is gonna be motoring, I believe. Oh no! And why am I even over here if it's gonna block the road? Not my car, but someone's car that I rode in to get here is on the other side of the tracks. And I'm over here for all of things here. One of my rail fan buddies are supposed to be getting here very soon. Well, anyway, here it comes. It should be moving. I thought it was a lot. I'm closer than this. The signals are on. The signals are on already, so there must be another one in the block somewhere. Because I can't see it. Oh, well, good luck, everyone. It looks like the rain is actually, clearing up a little bit. It is raining out here, by the way. And you can tell. Well, anyway, here it comes. Oh no, you're kidding me. The train mate is already here. What? Oh no! Oh no! And the other one is coming too! Oh! You're kidding me! This one's got a lot of engines too! From what I can see, I think 6? No, wait, no! 4! 4 engines, oh no! And they're all NS units. 4 engines all right. Oh no! Seven trains already, and I just got here about almost an hour ago. that's probably not it. Well, the other one must not be, I'm close enough for it to be down yet. Or be back, I'm down still. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Oh, look out. There's another train coming, look out below. Oh, look out below. And just a heads up, this train is going to block this road, possibly. Oh, no. Oh, this one is not motoring, Jack. I don't know. It's a coal train. One of Detroit-style coal hauler trains. And 9239 and 9327. I was gonna say the gates actually just went up and then they went back down. Oh no! And this is going to indeed unblock this road. I think. Oh no! Oh no! There's a lot of cars behind me. Oh no! I would say about 20 cars. Oh no! Oh well, people may want to turn off their engines because it may block this road. Oh no! I know I was about to look and see, but never mind. And I don't know if it will block this crossing or not. Usually these coal hauler trains are normally very, very long. I don't know if this one is or not. Let's see if I can find a Wide World of Trains car on this train. I won't be surprised. Nah, I don't see it anywhere. It is getting wet around here. It might end up blocking this crossing, oh no! Oh no, it's misting out too. Yuck. I don't like the rain, and not even on a Sunday at that. Oh no, you're kidding. I went over here for no reason. I mean, I'm talking about me on this side of the tracks. Because I think this train is starting to slow down. I'm not sure, maybe it's actually speeding up. So about it blocking this road, never mind. There went the end of it anyway. Should be having the clear. And I am all wet. Let's figure that out. If it's actually, I'm good to go this time. Let's see. Oh no. Look at that truck, it's leaking. Because it got all wet. What? Oh, what now? Is another train coming? I hope not. As of right now, I hope not. Probably is, but... I don't know what symbol that train is, but all on this Sunday, April 28th of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. I'm all wet now. So let's roll it. I've been wet for a long time now. All right, roll it.